since childhood, I've watched so many documentaries narrated by Sir David, and of course, they are two legends together, Hans Zimmer. And I love a lot of their documentaries. BBC produces some amazing documentaries. Thank you. See, this documentary also comes with a great message. We all need to realize that it's getting too late and we really need to mind our actions. It is very difficult, especially for TV actors, but we get very few opportunities to come and attend such events, which, it is a combination of legends, as I've told you, and I've grown up watching this, so I couldn't miss this. Thank you.
This is the second, and I'm looking forward for a good experience, and yeah, I think it's going to be a good break after like a really harrowing schedule that I've been going through. So yeah, I'm excited. Thanks.
Hello, hello, hello. Hi, hi, hi. देखिए मेरे ख्याल से सोनी बीबीसी अर्थ बहुत ही अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग इनिशिएटिव है, क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादातर मतलब काफ़ी बार रेगुलर चैनल्स देखने का मन नहीं करता है. एनिमल प्लैनेट देख लिया या नेशनल ज्योग्राफिक देख लिया या, और यहाँ पर ओशन लाइफ के बारे में इतनी चीज़ें दिखाई जा रही हैं. मैंने इसके ट्रेलर्स देखे हैं और जिस तरह इस चीज़ को बनाया गया है वो देखा है, तो देख के बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. तो आई रियली वांटेड टू वॉच इट, सो आई गॉट माय फैमिली विथ मी. मेरे वाइफ और दोनों बच्चे भी आए हैं, तो हम काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हैं. नहीं, बट इस वक्त तो सिर्फ पार्टनर्स कर रहा हूँ सब टीवी पर, और अभी और कुछ पाइपलाइन में नहीं है. थैंक यू यार. इट्स एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स दैट वी बीन वॉचिंग. मैं तो खैर यहाँ पर बहुत रेगुलर हूँ. मैं इसी जगह पर मेरे ख्याल से हर हफ्ते एक फिल्म तो इतने तो आता ही हूँ. एंड माई किड्स ऑल्सो लव वॉचिंग फिल्म्स. But then there are all kinds of films. So in that variety, this is also very important that we know about all the other things in life, apart from the superheroes that we all know. There are various other films that one should watch. So very important for my kids, so they are here with me today. So we're watching it together. Yeah, thank you.
Very excited because I've seen Blue Planet 1 as well. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to see the second one. See, I just love the way it's shot. That's one of the primary reasons why I like it. And of course, it's something that we all need to see, because I remember the last time I saw something like this, I was really hit hard. So that's why I'm really waiting to see it. What is difficult? Oh, like that. See, I'll tell you, it's about prioritizing. Of course, the schedule is very difficult, but when you want to do something, you always end up doing it. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Sure. Go, go, go. Come. Yes, quick, quick, quick. फैमिली की हेड नहीं हमारे पास, बाकी वर्कर्स है घर के. अच्छी है यार ब्लू प्लैनेट. आई थिंक इट्स अ विजुअली इट्स अ ट्रीट टू वॉच दिस. दैट्स इट. कम ऑन. एंड मेरी पूरी फैमिली सब डीप सी डाइवर्स है, सारे सर्टिफाइड डाइवर्स है, तो इन लोग के लिए इट्स नाइस. इट्स अ बिग फिश टैंक. It's very important, yeah, very much. But see, the point with both of them is they come here, they dive. They are all deep sea divers, yeah. So they're very familiar with water and very familiar with all this. So for them, it's like knowing more about it. They'll get to see the places that they can't actually reach. हाँ, संजू पिक्चर में है क्या? तो I haven't. Which one is that? हाँ, of course, वो देखा यार. संजू, यार, it's brilliant यार, brilliant. I'm looking forward to that film. उसके बारे में काफ़ी कुछ जानता हूँ, सारे जो है, बट पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी है, कहानी बहुत अच्छी है. इनफैक्ट वो अगर बायोपिक नहीं भी होती तो भी बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है. हाँ, वो मैंने नहीं देखा यार. मेरे घर पे जैसे टीवी आ जाएगी देखने लगूंगा मैं सब. कम. Oh, that's okay. और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे
बहुत एक्साइटेड है. रेड कार्पेट तो बहुत हुए, आज ब्लू कार्पेट के लिए हम लोग आए हैं एंड इट्स रिलेटेड टू एक्वेटिक लाइफ, डीप सी. छोटे होते भी बहुत चीज़ें हमने देखी हैं, बट टू सी अ फिल्म लाइक दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई हैव नॉट सीन. सो आई थिंक थैंक्स टू BBC Earth फॉर डूइंग दिस विद मी हियर. Thank you.
Well, खास दिन is because it's such a beautiful initiative, of course by BBC Earth, and I think it's मैं यहाँ पर सिर्फ इसलिए हूँ is because I'm a huge lover of the deep ocean. I love the waters. I love the way it's portrayed कि हम लोगों ने कितना बुरा फिलहाल कर रखा है. और I think this one particular film that's out there is only to bring this message out कि यार now it's high time that we really need to take care of our resources, ताकि हमारी आने वाली जो जनरेशन है वो ख़त्म ना हो जाए. So that's exactly why I'm here to support the ocean. Thank you guys. Yeah, my deep sea dive in South Africa. We went a 70-meter dive, and I think that was one of my most favorite experiences of my life, and I think that's what I remember always. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Actually, I've never seen anything of this sort before, and I've heard a lot that the first portion was really good. So हाँ, बहुत excited हूँ. मैं reptile से थोड़ी phobic हूँ, तो डर रही हूँ कि कुछ हो ना अंदर. But I'm excited. I really want to see this. नहीं, इस वक्त मैं बिल्कुल busy नहीं हूँ. मैं बहुत free हूँ, तो मैं तो बहुत खुश थी जब ये invite आया. But हाँ, had I been shooting तो definitely थोड़ा सा difficult हो जाता. But I'm free right now. Thank you.
We are very excited because lot of credible names are attached to it. We are supportive of the fact that it is about the ocean, the blue planet, which is shrinking into like almost lesser blue. So we are here to voice our opinions.
Absolutely, I'm very attached to the nature, and when I learned something like this is happening, I was very keen on coming and hearing and watching it out. इसके लिए difficult है. She shoots 2 hours away from here and travels back and shoots for 12 hours.
Yes, but associating with such a cause really gives us an impetus to take out, time and talk about it, maybe have an experience and maybe enjoy what is there for us. Thank you.
बहुत एक्साइटेड हो यार. अभी कुछ नया देखने को मिलेगा और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कुछ ऐसा मिलेगा जिसकी हम सबको ज़रूरत है. इस अर्थ में बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, तो उसमें अगर उसे बचाना है और हमारी लिविंग एक अच्छी लिविंग रखनी है, तो उसके लिए हमें बहुत कुछ करना है. सो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि इससे कुछ सीखने को मिले, जिससे हम लोग सब आगे अपनी लाइफ में डेली लाइफ में कहीं फॉलो अप कर सकें. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा फॉलो करता हूँ, और सोनी ही नहीं, और ऐसे जितने भी इंफॉर्मेटिव चैनल है, ये मेरा सबसे बड़ा इंटरेस्ट है. मुझे ये सब देखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. वाइल्ड लाइफ, अर्थ के बारे में, नेचर, एनवायरनमेंट, प्लैनेट्स. तो मेरा सबसे बड़ा रीज़न यहाँ पे आने का ये है क्योंकि मैं इसे दिल से फॉलो करता हूँ. Last 1 or 2 no doubt I loved it. अमित जी एंड ऋषि सर, मेरे को वो फिल्म बहुत अच्छी लगी. एंड आई एम अ वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ उमेश शुक्ला सर, जो उसके डायरेक्टर हैं. तो बहुत ही प्यारी सी फिल्म लगी मुझे. यहीं पे देखी थी लास्ट वीक ही. आज ट्रेलर आया है, तो सलमान सर की फिल्म पूरा इंडिया वेट कर रहा होता है उसकी. एंड रमेश तौरानी जी की फिल्म है साथ में, आफ्टर अ डेकेड. आई थिंक रेस 3 जो फ्रेंचाइजी इतना बड़ा है, सबके दिलों में वो बस चुका है और सब उसका वेट कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक एंटायर इंडिया इज़ वेटिंग. आते ही सबसे बड़ा हिट हो गया, ट्रेंडिंग है. आई थिंक इट्स नंबर 1. सो आई एम वेटिंग है, ऑफ कोर्स. थैंक्स. हाँ जी, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ ब्लू प्लैनेट मूवी के लिए, क्योंकि सबसे जैसे मैंने भी बोला कि इट्स अबाउट प्लैनेट. एंड लेट्स सी आज देखने को क्या क्या मिलता है मुझे, जो डिफरेंट हो, जो भी टीवी पे नहीं आया. सो रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट.
Hi.
वेल वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड। सुना है कि क्वीन एलिजाबेथ ने देखी है और बहुत कुछ बैन हो गया है, तो आई थिंक देख के हमें भी देखना है और समझना है। पर्सनली इतना तो नहीं, लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स जब भी कुछ होता है तो इसके बारे में खबर ज़रूर रखते हैं। वेल वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड। पलटन 7 सितंबर को रिलीज़ हो रही है। बाल बहुत छोटे हो गए थे, क्लीन शेव था, तो बाल अभी लंबे करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ और अभी मुश्किल से 4 महीने बचे हैं और प्रमोशन स्टार्ट होने वाला है और वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड कि लोग जल्दी देख पाएँ और वो जो 1967 वॉर के ऊपर है इंडिया चाइना, उसके बारे में लोग समझ पाए और जान पाए।
थैंक यू। चलो विल स्टार्ट। हाय। Yeah, ready. We four are actually super excited for this screening because I actually look forward to such kind of movies, and it's about underwater, it's about the ocean, the oceanic life, and they actually took 4 years to film this movie, so definitely we all are looking forward to it, and I'm sure we all gonna have a fantastic series.
Yeah, of course, what she said is absolutely true, and underwater life is beautiful, and I just connect myself with water. So we're gonna have a lot of fun looking at the film
And I think we all love
experiencing
fishes.
as if like we are in the ocean.
Yeah.
So that's what Shri and Tina they बोली दिया है. So it's really, I'm really excited. It's underwater. It's really mysterious and also I'm looking forward that. So that's what.
These two females have just got me here कि you should watch this.
Exactly, because even she loves underwater and she loves such kind of movies. So मैंने बोला हेमू चलो, we all will go for the premiere of this movie. Honestly, to be very honest, right now I think 3 of us are not working. She's pretty much occupied with her styling and all of that. But yeah, we had a day off. We were not shooting today, so we just thought we might as well just utilize it watching a good movie.
Exactly. Same here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oceans, yes of course. I think oceans के साथ तो बहुत है यार. मतलब I think recently when I had gone to Europe, I was in Croatia. So we had I think ocean के साथ mostly yacht experiences, then a lot of things actually. I had a lot of memories actually. So Croatia में I had a lot of fun, and there were high tides where I was actually in a yacht, और वो इतने लंबे लंबे लहरें होते थे, ऐसा लगता था बहुत scary होता था. But it was a kind of an experience, yeah. And of course, not to forget, I think मेरे पूरे family में majority including my बड़े पापा, everybody is a marine engineer. So I think कहीं ना कहीं मेरी life ocean से बहुत ज़्यादा related है. Ships, ocean, marine lives, because he's a marine engineer. So I think somewhere my family is also pretty much related to this ocean and all of these things.
So my memory was like I was in Phuket and we went for this Indian Ocean camping thing. And in middle of the ocean where we didn't know how deep it was, we were just put outside, we were snorkeling, and that time I didn't know swimming, so I couldn't do scuba. I was really excited to go do scuba and go actually underwater and see the life out there. So which we can enjoy in this movie.
Exactly.
So yeah, that was my memory related to ocean, which is really beautiful.
Mine is really recent. मैं अपने भाई के साथ गोवा गई थी. So we know swim, we know swim. But suddenly जो parachute वो land करता है ना, तो suddenly वो टूट गया था. So हम लोग गिर गए थे. And panic की वजह से I couldn't able to breathe. And
I know when it comes to
ocean
is very scary.
Where you don't know how deep it is.
Yeah, हम लोग बच गए. But that's what I'm saying कि yeah, I'm really excited to watch this film.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys.
एक्साइटमेंट तो नहीं, लेकिन ये कहूँगा कि एक्साइटमेंट से ज़्यादा क्योंकि ये इसके बारे में बहुत चर्चा हुई है इस फिल्म के बारे में, और मैंने जो इसका जो पहला सीरीज़ था लिविंग प्लैनेट वो भी देखा था, तो ये देखना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि इसमें मेरा जो फेवरेट टॉपिक है मरीन लाइफ के बारे में बहुत जानकारी दी है. तो देखते हैं कि कैसे बनाई गई है इसकी बनावट में, इसके फोटोग्राफी में, और हमेशा BBC के जो शोज़ और जो सीरीज़ बनती है वो बहुत ही सुंदर दर्शाए जाते हैं.
I think so too. I think बचपन से ये जो
what do you call him, actor. उनका जो voice है ये series में, he's always been somebody who, you know, when you watch Discovery आपको वही उनके voice का याद आते हैं. You expect him to give you the story, you know, in the background. So I think from the time we were kids, we've gotten used to these stories coming from BBC and it being something that kind of impacts you. और जैसे हमने सुना है कि you know Buckingham Palace में Queen ने plastic ban किया ये film देखने के बाद, like that it really impacts you and you remember those things for the rest of your life. And I think अभी इस वक्त ये बहुत ही ज़रूरी है क्योंकि हमारे मुंबई में स्पेशली जो अभी हो रहा है प्लास्टिक के बारे में लोगों को समझ आना पड़ेगा कि ये क्यों करना है, ये क्यों चेंज करना है. And I think these kind of films help us to understand that better. So I'm very excited and yeah, looking forward to it.
I think it's very creative. Even I was wondering, I said red carpet तो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है यहाँ पे, but I think it just symbolizes that we need to be more aware. हम जो प्रकृति से लेते हैं उसको अगर उसका ख्याल नहीं रखेंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं हमें ही चोट पहुँचती है. तो it's actually something that symbolizes very strongly what we should be doing as a society and as people, especially in our country.
I think it's always nice to do something different. I love it when people do stuff like this because you know we go to a lot of events. So once in a while when somebody's thought out of the box, when they've thought of something pertaining to you know the product and what they're trying to do, it's really cool. So yeah, it's fun. I didn't hear you. After Kapil Sharma, I've just been doing a show with ESPN for IPL. It's a show called On the Road, which is basically a travel cum cricket show. बहुत fun show है और हम थोड़ा वो extra stories दिखाते हैं उसमें. So it's been a lot of fun. And yeah, just looking at more stuff with Netflix and online more than on TV right now. शायद let's see. अभी ये सुनील का शो बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. So let's see next what he plans, what happens with that. So thank you.
Thank you very much.
Well, I'm excited for the fact that there are very few people who've been actually thinking about the environment. I see one of the person who's a celebrity because as a person who all people we know are the celebrities who are very well known all around the world. There are very few of them who think that they're responsible people among the society. We people are the one people look up to us. We people are the one to some level people actually follow you. They follow what you do, what ideology you have in your head. And I think very few people among them is Leonardo DiCaprio, which I really follow on Instagram. I know he's one of those people who have opened the funding for environment. He's actually taking care of the funding towards the environment. What we are actually doing is ruining everything altogether over the years at a faster pace. What we can actually imagine, faster than what it is. Things have become more commercial, but we are not able to understand that things which cannot talk to you, cannot reply back to you, will reply back in a very disastrous way some point of time, which we'll get to see it in fact. And similarly among these, I think one of those consisting those air, water, food on earth or earth itself as a part of the consisting of whole environment. I think marine life in itself has been ruined a lot over the period. And what I keep checking as per my knowledge as a layman, I think I understand that we've been using the plastic in a very, overusing it in fact, and dumping things in the sea, which will come back to you some way or the other. And yeah, that's what I can tell you more in detail, but this is what I can gather. That I'm really happy and excited for the fact that one of the films which is coming up as a documentary and people know about it, it's going on a bigger level for the awareness. It's a very good medium as a filmmaker, as a person who could be connected to any of the projects like that, to actually create a value in the society as a whole. How do I wish to do it from my end? I wish to do it, first of all, give an awareness around and take an action at the same time not to use plastic in my daily life, which is very important for me. I do not litter around. I need to make sure whatever the things you throw around, you have to make sure to dump it to the places where they're recycled. In fact, one of the reasons I would say, which I recently got to know, is the phones, mobile phones have those components from the earth, which are very limited. The parts are made out of that. So feel sad about it. Few things you really can't change because you have to communicate with people. You have to be in the rhythm with how the things are around you. But somewhere the awareness is one of the things which can really help with people. That if once there's awareness around, we can change the demand. We can change demand for the phones which doesn't have those elements which are which can very limited on Earth as a resource. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
So yeah, I think they are excited. I mean, they keep telling me about the environment, how not to litter, about plastic, about not wasting water while playing Holi, to play a dry Holi and not waste water. So I think children today are much more aware. They really want to know what's going on the planet, and I think this is a great opportunity for them to get closer to it.
The army drone will really excite you, and your movie also coming Paltan.
Yeah.
You want to say something? How much you're excited
About Paltan? Yeah, I'm very excited. It's I come from an army background. Both my Dadaji and Nanaji were part of the army, and I always wanted to do a proper war film, or an army film. And JP Datta sir is, I think, the best person to do it with. He's really a pioneer in it. That is what he, is been his biggest contribution and forte, to speak as a filmmaker. And to get a subject like Paltan, which is a skirmish that happened between India and China in 1967, which a lot of Indians don't know about. In fact, it was hidden from them, the information. So it's good to be a part of that. It is a true story, so that brings a lot more credibility to it. बाहर से सब सोचते हैं कि बहुत आसान है, आराम से एसी के वैन में बैठ के अच्छे कपड़े पहनकर बस बाहर आओ, शॉट दे दो और घर चले जाओ. ऐसी बात नहीं है. आई थिंक जैसे कि किसी भी प्रोफेशन में आपको मेहनत करना पड़ता है, आपको सीखना पड़ता है उसके बारे में. आपके जो स्किल्स हैं, आपके जो टैलेंट हैं, वो उसको आप किस तरीके से निखार पाते हो, और सामने ला सकते हो, किस तरीके से बेटर कर सकते हो, किस तरीके से आप अपने आप को चैलेंज कर सकते हो, अपने ऑडियंसेस को सरप्राइज़ कर सकते हो, बॉक्स ऑफिस को समझ सकते हो, अपने ऑडियंस पिक्चर के बजटिंग को समझ सकते हो. तो वो इसीलिए इतना आसान काम नहीं है. इट्स अ वेरी टफ जॉब, क्योंकि जब सफलता मिलती है तो बहुत तालियां भी मिलती है, और आपको बहुत अप्रिसिएशन भी मिलती है. मगर जब उतनी सफलता नहीं होती है तो उतने ही ज़्यादा जूते भी पड़ते हैं. So I think that's why it's not as glamorous. It's you have to be really, really disciplined to be a part of this industry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
One question. Talking about Blue Planet, how important do you think it is to show such kind of content to kids?
Well, I can't call them kids anymore. I think they've grown up, she's a teenager, she's almost one. But I think for the youth, it is very, very important because they are our future. I wish we had this kind of exposure while we were growing up and people spoke about the environment and these issues were made more aware to my generation. Because I would have definitely done my bit to make a difference, but that doesn't end here. We still have got to go out there and do our bit. Planet Earth is in trouble and it needs to be pulled out of trouble. The people who've put Planet Earth into trouble are the human beings that have occupied every living creature space. So to be able to acknowledge that and live in a much more balanced world is, I think, or balanced planet is, I think, what is very important. Thank you.
हिंदी में बात करना चाहते हो अंग्रेजी में? This is about the planet we live on, and David Attenborough has produced some of the greatest documentaries on this planet, about this planet. So I'm looking forward to seeing what he's made, thrilled by it, inspired by it, and spreading the message of saving the planet and marveling at what a wondrous planet we live on. Any thoughts?
I'm a huge Richard Attenborough fan, so it's going to be great to see him. He's 92 and he's still at it. He's quite an icon, and the scenery that you get of these images on screen is going to be amazing and breathtaking, and you see that and gives you a lot of hope. There's such beauty in the world, and we don't really know so much about the depths of the oceans. So I find it mesmerizing, romantic, and a beautiful place to go and watch something and just forget the day. So I'm looking forward to it.
I just want to add one more thing. We pay so much attention to interplanetary travel and going to other worlds. 2/3 of this world is under the sea, and we know so little about it. We talk about communicating with aliens. We can't even communicate properly with dolphins and have a meaningful conversation with them, even though they're as intelligent as us. So I think we need to pay attention to our planet a little more as well, because there are wonders within it that we have not explored. Thank you.
हाँ जी एक्चुअली ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ हो रही है परसों मेरी किसी से बात हो रही थी कि हमें लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहिए कि एक्चुअली नेचर में क्या हो रहा है और हमें डॉक्यूमेंट्री स्टाइल नहीं दिखाना चाहिए, हमें कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग एंटरटेनिंग वे में दिखाना चाहिए ताकि उनको समझ में आए और वो देखना चाहें, और ये उसका सल्यूशन है. सो उन्होंने मेरे दोस्त ने मुझे बताया, ओ डेविड एटनबरो, ही मेक्स अमेजिंग फिल्म्स, यू शुड चेक इट आउट. एंड 2 days लेटर
Hold my hand, Pilu. Yeah. मैंने प्लैनेट ब्लू का पहला सीज़न देखा है, तो आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस टू सी द सेकंड सीज़न एंड इट फील्स वेरी स्पेशल, क्योंकि वो सीज़न देखने के लिए आई हैव माई लिटिल वन विथ मी टुडे, सो आई एम वेरी श्योर कि मैं ज़्यादा इन्जॉय करूँगी. मैं हमेशा ही बॉलीवुड मूवीज़ के लिए एक्साइटेड रहती हूँ और काफ़ी सारे दोस्त हैं फिल्म में, तो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द फिल्म ऑल्सो. थैंक यू. गो 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 गो. आई एम डन.
All going to watch this film or not? Have to watch it. It's amazing. I can't wait to see the screen. This film is known to have changed the way people think, governments think, society thinks. It's a very, very powerful narrative. And I've seen the first part, and I couldn't wait for the second part to release. I'm so happy it's here, and we're all getting to watch it today. And I hope कि हमारे देश के सारे बच्चे, नौजवान, गवर्नमेंट्स भी ये फिल्म देखें और उनके भी सोच में बदलाव आए. आई थिंक बहुत जल्दी है संजू पे अभी कमेंट्स देना. अभी तो कैंपेन ब्रेक हुआ है हमारा, आगे जैसे अनफोल्ड होगा तब हमारी चर्चा होगी उस फिल्म को लेकर. फ़िलहाल मैं सिर्फ यही कह सकती हूँ कि फिल्म से जुड़े हुए जितने भी लोग हैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं, बहुत उत्सुकता से उस दिन का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं जब हमारा कैंपेन पूरी तरह से खुलेगा और आप सबको और बहुत कुछ देखने को मिलेगा. No, I haven't seen it yet. No. Well, I am in love with the pale blue dot, which is the color of our planet. I think the blue carpet is a fantastic, fantastic idea. I think it serves as a reminder that Earth is our only home, and we should all do our best to cherish it, love it, and do our bit to conserve and protect it. Thank you.
What will I say? I haven't even seen it yet. Wait for me, wait. Yeah. This is a very different kind of a premiere to come to. I'm very excited that it's the Blue Planet series, because it's a great show, and I've got my son and my sister along. I think it's a really fun family viewing. I'm excited. No, I don't want to say anything about anything else. Thank you. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, our last question.
Please.
Tell us how excited are you for Planet?
Okay, so I'm a big fan of in Hindi. Okay, तो मैं ब्लू प्लैनेट की वैसे भी बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ, और मेरे पास ये सीरीज़ 2 दिन में वैसे भी आ जाएगा आफ्टर द प्रीमियर, और हमारा ये फेवरेट संडे वॉच है, एटलीस्ट द फर्स्ट सीजन वॉज. Big fans of Planet Earth as well. I think I'm totally excited. Also, I'm a scuba diver, so the deep blue ocean and its mysteries, I mean, they're the most mesmerizing.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it.
ऐसा लग रहा है कोई इलेक्शन रैली का जाओ इसके लिए खड़े हुए हैं. यार मैं आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ दीज काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स एंड इट्स वेरी एडवेंचरस. क्या होता है कि हम नॉर्मल लाइफ में जब छोटे थे तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी लगती थी कि कैसे होता होगा, समंदर के नीचे होता क्या है और आसमान में क्या है. सो आई थिंक दीज आर वेरी यू आर वेरी इंट्रीग अबाउट नोइंग अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. सो वो जो है ना अंदर का ये जो बचपन में जो बहुत सारे सवाल होते थे, आजकल हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें गूगल पे भी पढ़ लेते हैं, बट आई थिंक वॉचिंग अ रियल डॉक्यूमेंट्री विच इज़ बीन शॉट अक्रॉस सो मेनी डेज, और इतनी जगह उसका एक्सपीडिशन वॉज इन सो मेनी कंट्रीज़. सो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगा ये फिल्म देखना. ओके, थैंक यू.
ये बहुत ही एक्साइटेड है. इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, इट्स अ डॉक्यूमेंट्री एंड इट्स pretty पॉपुलर. पहला हम लोगों ने मिस किया, सो वी सेड दैट ये सेकंड मिस नहीं करना है. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे बीच में अगर एक वीडियो आया था जिसमें दिखाया गया था कि आई थिंक इन द इंडियन ओशन और एक किसी ओशन में बहुत सारे प्लास्टिक बैग्स थे, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट विच गॉट वायरल. So I think it's a great movie. I think it will help people to understand the global warming, pollution, everything put together. जी बहुत ही माइंड ब्लोइंग था. इनफैक्ट अभी गाड़ी में देखा हमने, और मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. बॉबी मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है, उन्होंने पहली बार अपना टी शर्ट निकाला है, एंड ही शोन ऑफ हिज 6 पैक. आई एम सो हैप्पी फॉर हिम. साकिब इज़ अ क्लोज फ्रेंड, सो दिस ईद इज़ गोइंग टू बी रेस 3.
Thank you.
क्या जो है?
कौन सी भाषा में? Okay, any language. Okay, fantastic. Looking forward to it. Something मतलब पूरी दुनिया में जो कोई तहलका मचाती है, अगर इंडिया में हो Blue Planet, something which everyone wants to know. I know few of the filmmakers who have been associated with this film who have actually shot. So I know what kind of preparation has gone in, what kind of passion has gone in. Anything that is with the passion, चाहे वो खाना बनाना हो या इस तरह की फिल्म हो. I'm very excited to witness this, and I think this is path breaking. I'm sure कि खाने में भी कुछ ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, खाने का Blue Planet. Thank you.
I'm super excited about it. पहली बार ऐसा कुछ इंडिया में हो रहा है और देखने का मौका मिल रहा है, सो इस बात की खुशी भी है और एक्साइटेड भी हूँ कि एक अलग तरह की दुनिया देखने को मिलेगी स्क्रीन पे. सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड.
Same here. Thank you. We're gonna get the feedback after the movie. So.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm actually very excited. I think show to shuru ho gayi. So I'm really looking forward to going to see it. I've seen Blue Planet before. I've seen Planet Earth, and I know that people work very hard and shoot for a very long period of time to cover incredible things. They go to depths of the ocean that we haven't been to before, that humans haven't been to before, and they capture some incredible marine life. And it really teaches you a lot as well. And I've been told that the Queen of England has also, banned the use of plastic after this documentary was made. So I'm sure this is going to be very thought-provoking and very powerful.
I want to talk about Blue Planet. No, I only want to talk about Blue Planet. And you can, yeah. So many. I love snorkeling, and I love going to the Maldives, which has some of the safest waters, and that's where I went for my first dive as well, which was a friendly dive. And I hope one day to be certified to dive in other places. I just love swimming in the ocean. The Amalfi Coast as well I went to, and it was beautiful. You know, just anywhere. I love being in the sea. Thank you.
Yeah, we are very excited. This is the first time Sony has come up with something like that, and being with the Sony family, we are super excited to see the sea life in a completely different atmosphere. So let's can't wait and go inside. Thanks.
क्या कहना चाहूँगी आज की खास हाय क्या कहना चाहूँगी मैं बस ये कहना चाहूँगी that this is a very very important film. It's a message. It's something that we all need to see. बहुत कुछ सुना है इस फिल्म के बारे में, बहुत कुछ सुना है जो मूवमेंट इस फिल्म ने क्रिएट की फ्रॉम UK to all over the world. The Queen apparently stopped plastic in Buckingham Palace because of this film. So high time हम लोग ऐसे नहीं समझ रहे, ऐसे समझ जाएं, you know, कुछ मैसेज देख के समझें that we need to really take care of our planet and we really need to take care of animals and of climate control. Thank you, thank you.
Yes, guys. Yeah, of course, very excited, and this film especially is very different. क्योंकि एक तो मैंने ट्रेलर देखा था and I was mind blown by the trailer. It is definitely something different and we all should definitely watch it. And I also heard कि एक दो countries में फिल्म देखने के बाद प्लास्टिक बैन हो गया था. So I really want to see कि ऐसा क्या है, और अगर ऐसा कुछ है तो सबको देखनी चाहिए फिल्म, स्पेशली इंडिया में. Yeah, thank you. डिफ़िकल्ट होता है, बट आई थिंक अभी फ़िलहाल क्योंकि मैं कोई डेली सोप नहीं कर रही हूँ, तो इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर मी एंड आई एम रियली ऑनर्ड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ सच अ प्रोजेक्ट. थैंक यू.
स्क्रीनिंग वाकई बहुत ख़ास है क्योंकि ये जो सीरीज़ है ब्लू अर्थ narrated by Sir David Attenborough, it's one of the most legendary series out there. और ख़ास बात ये है कि ये दुनिया में इतनी सारी जो चीज़ें हो रही हैं जिसके बारे में हम कभी दुखी रहते हैं, कभी परेशान रहते हैं. दिस एक्चुअली showcases how beautiful this world actually is and कितनी हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि इस खूबसूरत दुनिया को इतना ही खूबसूरत रखना है या फिर इससे भी और खूबसूरत करना है. थैंक यू. Favorite memory? Yeah, I don't know about that because I've almost drowned a couple of times in the ocean. But I'd done this adventure-based show a couple of years ago on one of the channels, and usme a lot of the stunts were in the ocean. And initially, obviously, because I had this fear of drowning, right? But that entire, when you embrace the ocean, when you embrace nature, you realize that there's nothing to be scared about, and that it's actually so beautiful. I've snorkeled once. I've not done diving yet. मैंने बहुत अच्छी अच्छी कहानियाँ सुनी इसके बारे में, and I really look forward to doing that because that is exploring a part of nature that we haven't really seen. We've only seen it on TV or we're going to see it on the big screen. But actually exploring it in real life personally, that is the most beautiful thing. That I look forward to doing that. Thank you, man.
Very excited, and most of the girls are water babies, and I love.
I'm also water baby, so
You are
let's see.
also
Yeah, obviously. So we're excited to see something which is pretty different and exclusive, we can say.
And would love to tell people that please stop polluting ocean.
We'll study more about the ocean and few more species. So let's see what exclusive has been done so far.
Yeah.
And I'm really happy and glad and proud also that the hard work which they have done. They've almost taken around 4.5-5 years to make this video, complete the video. So let's see what exclusive we get to see, and later we should give our feedbacks.
And please watch Sony BBC Earth.
Please do. See, yeah, that depends. Basically, I was so excited. We both were excited since morning when we got to know about it. शूटिंग स्केड्यूल से बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए टाइम निकाला जाता है, बट वो जब पानी की बातें आती हैं, पानी की बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती हैं,
और कभी-कभी कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ों के लिए वक्त निकाल लेना चाहिए।
सो या जैसे कि इसने आज
Rather
मुझे
than partying,
जैसे कि इसने आज मुझसे मिलने के लिए वक्त निकाला, तो इसलिए so yeah, let's see. So we are excited to see few more exclusive videos about it. Aren't you?
I am. Yes. Thank you so much.